Welcome to IMA. Want to learn Canva design? Struggling to create designs? How to use Canva for posters, presentations, and social media? No worries. We have the perfect Canva design course in ISL. Create stunning designs with tools easily. Includes Canva design tips. Perfect for beginners. All point courses are ready. Must I pay? Yes, you must pay. Is it expensive? No, it's available for a cheap fee. Is there a 1-year limit? No, you get lifetime access. Interested in learning? Come on, join us. Download the IMA app from the link below. It's ready for you. Don't miss it. Thank you for watching me.